Hi AJ, sorry for the late greeting kasi I had school earlier. I just got home, so unfortunately, this is kind of late. First, sana appreciate mo pa rin ha. Happy birthday AJ. I wish you all the best. May the blessings of God be with you always. Good luck in your studies, and I know you would obviously do your best. Stay what you are, tsaka wag mong papabayaan sarili mo. Stay pretty, and I hope you would have a good love life someday soon. Huwag ding makakalimot. I'll be back in no time, so just wait for me. I know, namimiss mo na ako. Don't you worry. I'm not looking anywhere. Okay, joke. Anyway, anyhow, take care always. And then, pakamusta na lang sa kanila cause we haven't gotta talk that much. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys at Skype. And of course with them. Ayun, ingat, ulit-ulit. Happy birthday. Enjoy ka lang. Ayun, bye-bye.